Welcome back, guys. Time for another interesting recipe. Today we're making the long shot, created back in 2007 by Julian de Ferral at Milk and Honey, London, England. It's an interesting cocktail, an interesting mix of flavors. You have reposado tequila, dry curacao, simple syrup, Angostura bitters, lemon juice and soda. So without further ado, let's make the long shot. First ingredient is Tequila Reposado, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by Curacao, 15 ml, half an ounce. Next up is simple syrup, 7.5 ml, 1/4 ounce. Followed by 22.5 ml or 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And the last ingredient before shaking is Angostura Bitters, 1 dash. Now we need ice. Give it a good shake. Beautiful. Ooh, smells nice. Now we need a Collins glass. Fill it with ice. And strain the cocktail of fresh ice. Top it up with soda. And give it a quick stir. Garnish with a lemon wedge and an orange slice. Serve with a straw. That's it, ladies and gents, the long shot. Cheers! Quite nice actually. Tequila is dominant. You got that mixture of fruity flavors from curacao, from lemon juice, just a little bit of smokiness from tequila, and a hint of Angostura. Really, really good cocktail. It's pretty nice. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a long shot. Real easy to make. 6 ingredients, but nothing too complicated. You can make it in less than 3 minutes, so try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.